Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel BrainLess DIY. So here right in front of you is an old canvas. There is you can see the roughness, and there is lots of aluminum foil stick to it with hot glue gun, and I tried to create something on this canvas, but I am going to reuse it, and the idea is quite different. I'll use tissue paper napkins. As you can see, these are colorful tissue paper napkins, and later on I'll be using colorful sculpture paste, and that is my own personal recipe of homemade sculpture paste in different colors. So let's transform it.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough
The idea is to stick these tissue paper napkins in all over the canvas. So I'm using here is a simple white glue to stick these tissue paper napkins evenly on all over the canvas, and spreading some water to spread the glue evenly.
Not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were have-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were have-nots, who are not as tough as me.
As you can see, it's completely dried and stiff, and this is my homemade sculpture paste. I'm using it in different colors. The color tone should match with the color of the tissue paper napkins, so I'm using this light pink color. Later on I'll be using gray, I'll be using a little bit of off-white, but keep watching it how I do it. I'm just trying to make some flowers on it.
Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. You cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots, who are not as tough as me. taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
There you go. As you can see, this canvas is just about 50% dried, not fully dried. So I am going to decorate it. I'm decorating it with these silver foil flakes, and I'm using this mixture of white glue and water, just in equal portions, 1:1 ratio. So mix them together, and now I'm going to apply it on this canvas just to give it a glowy kind of a look, you know.
I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough.
Here in my hand are tiny little threads. I'm going to cut them in two halves, and these threads have beads at its two ends. They are used to make professional flowers when you try to make stigma of the flower, but I am using them for the decoration purpose.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't
Wait for the final looks, and please like, subscribe and share for more appreciations. Thank you.
got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I